Welcome to TradeNBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 22nd of December. Well, we got a short week here. Um, the bounce back. So this is your version of Santa Claus Rally is just recovering from the stall. And from a reading standpoint, you're right on the edge here with NBI White. Really pretty close to leading the situation, but Magenta rising above yellow is maintaining the short cover push. And from a shakeout standpoint, not pretty, but we're finally seeing that full reset of the orange from the DOC. So uh, clearly, it's just been short-term buyers have kept things from imploding, at least from an S&P standpoint. We're at least seeing similar readings now from a Nasdaq view, but a little bit stronger with that dip of DOC orange below the red, and that. Even though you don't have a full reset of the steel, still should be enough to stave things off through the Christmas break and treasuries and all that stuff. Nothing's happening in any of those areas. What's interesting in oil, though, is more attacks on tankers outside the Russian area, and that they call it their attack on the shadow fleet of Russia, but that could lead to all sorts of maritime situations that not priced in, not at all. The euro is still holding steady because the war is going to continue, so they're going to get their money, and as promised, gold making new highs. So no shock with that one. That was a given. Bitcoin and them still struggling to get out of the malaise. Just now starting to get crossover of Magenta. ETH a little bit further ahead than Bitcoin on that one. Kind of their own version of a stall malaise, exactly what we're seeing. So you can see from a 50K standpoint, was all good news after we hit the 50K from the NBI White, they hit the 50%, I mean, and then Magenta led, and that was it. Not a whole lot to talk about there. That's pretty straightforward. 5 minute chart wise, all happened early on, and then from there you were just pretty much missed it. And what we're looking at from the Asia situation right now, all good. So that's the long and the short of it. I hope everyone's about to have a great holiday. We'll get back to it right after it. Have a good one. Trade well.